You're welcome to Design Slider Tech.
Okay, this video shows how to get the new Microsoft Office apps, and there will be no problem about activating it. This is 100% legal and official from Microsoft themselves. Get your PC and open it. Now, if you already have Microsoft Office installed, you need to uninstall it. But if you don't, then maybe you skip to the next step. So go to your Windows Start and search for Control Panel. Open it. Then go to Programs, then Programs and Features. Then look for Microsoft Office or anything related to Microsoft Office. Click on it, then you uninstall. When you uninstall from here, go to your File Explorer, then enter this PC, then enter your Disk C drive. In your Disk C, look for Microsoft Office, hold your Shift key and delete it permanently. Then enter Program Files and look for Microsoft Office in case it's there. If you have it, you delete it permanently. Then enter Program Files x86. Look for Microsoft Office in case you have it and you delete it permanently as well. So after you delete all the Microsoft Office folders in your Disk C drive, then restart your device. Now, the next thing is you go to your browser and search for Office Deployment Tool. So we go with the one from Microsoft Office. This is their website here. The link to this Microsoft Office is in the description of this video and also in the pinned comment section. Make sure the language is on English and you just click download. After you download the Office Deployment Tool, come to your desktop. Right-click anywhere and you click New to create a new folder. This new folder will be named Office 2024. Go to where you downloaded the Office Deployment Tools and double-click to run it. Click here to accept the Microsoft Surface license terms, then continue. Here, look for Office 2024 folder we just newly created. Click on it and OK. The Office Deployment Tool files will be extracted into the Office 2024 folder. Now let's check. Open the Office 2024 folder. You will see these two files are already extracted inside it. Next, open your browser again, and this time we are going to Office Customization Tools. We are going to pick the one from Microsoft themselves. The link to this Microsoft website is also in the description and in the pinned comments. Now, this is where you will set up your Microsoft Office tools. Under Product and Releases, click 64-bit, except if your PC is a very old one, then you go with 32-bit. But mostly it is usually 64-bit. Then under Office Suites, select Office Suite Product and pick Office LTSC Professional Plus 2024 Volume License. Then under the version, make sure it is on latest. Under the apps, turn off the apps you know you will not need and keep the apps you will need turned on. Now, for language, this is very important. Select the language that works with your system. In my case, it is English United States. Then under Upgrade Options, this says uninstall any MSI versions of Office, including Visio and Project. Turn it off. Then leave every other thing just as they are and continue all the way down to finish. Then on the right-hand side, you click Export. For default file format, select Office Open XML formats. OK. Check the box to accept Microsoft license terms. Leave the file name as configuration, then click Export. The Microsoft Office configuration will be downloaded to your device. Open where you downloaded it. Then you copy or you cut it. Then come to your desktop and open Office 2024 folder. You already have the deployment tools set up inside. Now paste the Microsoft configuration you just downloaded and copied. Now you should have these three files in your Office 2024 folder. Next, go to your desktop. On Office 2024, you right-click and cut, or you can use Ctrl-X to cut it. Then go to your File Explorer, enter this PC, then open your Disk C. In Disk C, paste the Office 2024 folder in there. Then you open Office 2024 folder. Go to the top address bar, click anywhere there, then you right click to copy the address as text. Then come to your Windows Start and type CMD, which is the command prompt. Right click on it and run it as administrator. It is easier on the right hand side to see run as administrator. In the administrator command prompt, type CD, give a space, then paste the Office 2024 address you copied. This will take you to the correct directory for Office 2024 in the system. The next thing you want to do now is go to your browser again, and this time we are going to type install Office LTSC, and we are going to pick the one. This is legal and official from Microsoft themselves. The link to this Microsoft website is already in the description, and I will put it in the pinned comment as well. Now, when you're here, scroll all the way down to look for the configuration setup. Now, you need to be careful. Here, it looks like what we need, but this is not it. So be careful, don't go with this. This says download, and you will see it under the download section. So scroll all the way down to the install section. Under install section, that is where you will see the correct console, which is configure space configuration. So copy the installation console from Microsoft. After you copied it, come back to your administrator command prompt and paste the console command text that you copied from Microsoft. Then press the enter key. You can see everything we are doing here is 100% legit, official, and legal from Microsoft. Now the installation has started. Give it some time, depending on the capacity and the power of your machine. And you can see Microsoft is installing the Office apps for you. At this point, I recommend you keep your device connected to the internet while this process is going on. Now the installation is complete. Go to your Windows Start and search for Word app to open it. Here says accept the license agreement. Click accept and close it. And you can see this is completely working without any problem of activation. Now let us check to confirm the activation status. Go to File, then Account. And you can see it says Product Activated, Microsoft Office LTSC Professional Plus 2024. So would you be nice by giving this video a thumbs up? Then you can save the video maybe for another day in the future, and you can also share it with those you think may need it. Let me know your experience with this process in the comments. Thank you for watching.